Welcome to our third session. This session we have to learn about the types of houses. Before the last session we have to discuss about that our village. In village, what are the facilities are there? Which works are requirements? Which in village who are the head of the first person? Who are that looking about the villages? And what are the public places? What are the public institutions? How can they maintain? What are the funds are required to the moderate to the villages? In that these type of words and these type of subject we have to discuss in this last lesson, that is our village. In the village, primary healthcare center is there, school, veterinary hospitals, water tanks, and banks, post office, bus stations also there. These are called public institutions, and Sarpanch will look after and maintenance to the maintenance of these public institutions, and they have to, what are the requirements they in that village need, they have to provide that. In that Gram Sabha they have to discuss with the board members and people, they have to arrange to the requirements to the villages. Now in this lesson we have to learn about types of houses. What is the meaning of house? A place where we live, eat and sleep is called house. Where a place where we eat, live and sleep, that place is called house. And in a house, just we see, we need a house because of we live, we eat, we sleep in that place, that is called house. A place, it protects it. Which one? The house protects us from dust, heat, cold, rain and wind and bad weather and wild animals and enemies. The house is protect to us when it rainy season, it's raining. Where we have to live? Unshade shade of a tree? No, because of we have to totally wet. And we need a house. That is, that house is protect us from rain. And in summer season, so much sunshine is going on. Sun rises so hot in noon session, afternoon session. Where we have to live? In a house. We have to protect ourselves from the sunshine. And wind, winter season, cold winds are coming, blows. Then we have to protect, we have to close the doors of houses and we have to stay in home only. That is, the houses protect us to rain, heat, sunshine and wet winter and bad weathers and winds and enemies and wild animals. That it is protect us from this. It protect us dust, cold, heat and rain, bad weather, enemies. These they have to protect us. Which one? That house protect us. A house also protect us from wild animals and dangerous. From that house was protect us. We feel safe inside our house. We can feel inside of our house. People living in different areas live in different types of houses. Yes, different types of people are living in our country. They have to live in different types of areas. They have to build their areas. The area have which type of weather. They have to constructed that type of houses. And in the houses is very cold places. They are different from the houses in the places where it rains a lot. చూడండి, ఎక్కువ రెయిన్స్ పడే చోట ఉండే ఇండ్ల కన్నా చాలా ఎండగా ఉండే రెయిన్స్ ఎక్కువ పడని చల్లని ప్రదేశంలో ఉండే ఇండ్లకు డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకు? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద weather. They have to build their houses based on their climate, they based on the weather. The houses in very cold places are different from the houses in the places very hot or it's heavy rains. The types of houses. What are the types of houses? In this session we have to discuss about these types of houses. Pakka house, single story house, apartments or flats. Then people build houses according to their needs and the materials are available. People constructed their house based on their needs and materials they have to require. That suppose in our neighbors build double story buildings because they have the requirements, they need that type of houses. Big family means they have to build the big houses, double storage or triple storage buildings. In that they have to live in this two floors and they have to give to the rent to the another story. And what are the money we have to require to construct a building, because the materials we have to buy from other those who are selling the building materials, and as well as the building materials they need constructions, the iron rods, bricks and cement, concrete and water. We have to put the bore in that place, then we have to construct and started construction to the place, and we have to go to the planner that what type of which type of houses we have to build. These are the needs, these are the types of materials, these are the tools are required to construct a house. And we have to learn now Pakka house. Now Pakka house. Pakka house are made of bricks, cement, steel, iron and concrete. Pakka house is built with bricks, cement, steel, iron and concrete. The Pakka house is built with bricks, cement, steel, iron and concrete. They need the Pakka house these materials, then they have to build with the help of materials and building workers. They have to build a Pakka houses. The single story house, it is only one floor, and apartments or flats are flat house is a multi-story building. Multi-story buildings have many floors. See, once you see, look at observe the picture. This picture a house. It is build a single story house. It is the name of the house, single story house. It is built by only one floor only. It is called single story houses. Otherwise, they have to build double story building, means they have to roof on another building, another house will construction. That is called double story buildings. Just I will show to you. I will show to you these houses in a city. What is that? Houses in a city. See, look at observe the picture. So many skyscrapers like apartments, like bungalows we have to see. We have to observe this picture. These type of houses is there in cities. And in cities why that so many crowded people are living in the cities, then the place is not available so much, then they have to build these type of apartments or flats and bungalows. Then that medium apartments, they have to live the families, 10 to 15 families, and 6 floors, 5 floors, 10 floors. Apartments will live 30, about up to 30 families are lived in these apartments. Now we have to show two types of houses. We have to learning about the Pakka houses. In the Pakka houses, see once, this is the single story house I will draw on the board. And this is the multi-storied apartments. It is called an apartment. It has up to 15 to 20 families in medium apartments, and mainly 10-15 floors are their families. They have to live in that apartments. Up to 30 families they have to live in these apartments. And is it there one word good is there? See, once you see, concrete means a mixture of stones and sand and water. A mixture of stones and sand, water. That is called concrete. See, you will observe this picture once you see. I connect the page number 54. This is the I connect. Choose the correct part of to complete the picture. ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ రౌండప్ చేసిన ప్లేస్లో ఏదైతే సెట్ అవుతుందో చేసి డ్రా చేసి వాట్సాప్లో పెట్టండి, ఓకేనా? ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఐ కనెక్ట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్? choose the correct part to the complete the picture. Which part will required? Is there 3 images? Which part is suitable that place? You should draw and color it and send with the WhatsApp group. Thank you.